We just watched someone buy a 10,000 peso card.
10,000
Like he was like,
just it's one
the
single
lady was
card.
like, what did I tell you?
That they taste like burger steak.
Why am I the first thing in your phone? What the heck?
We are here in IKEA. I think it's the largest IKEA in Asia.
Is it?
I think so.
It's a whole building. So.
I'm gonna stake that claim right now. And this is my favorite section right here. But we're not here to go shopping for furniture or anything. If you can't tell, we just drove here on his motorcycle. We are going to eat. We are gonna eat because we're actually going to ToyCon. So one day I'll feature IKEA, but not today. No, I'm excited to eat the Swedish meatballs because I've never done that yet and I really want to eat them and I heard they're really, really good.
And what else did you hear? What did I tell you?
That they taste like burger steak. And if they do, I'm going to be
They taste like the burgers in Jollibee.
Jollibee, which is like burger steak.
You can't untaste it, I swear.
We'll see.
Right now, Bianca is sitting down because there's so many people here and she had to go ahead and get a seat. And I'm going to be ordering the food, so I'm going to be shooting the vlog. So it's a Saturday, so there's a ton of people, and it doesn't help that we're here on ToyCon weekend, which just makes it so much worse. There are so many cosplayers as well. So hopefully the quality of the food is just as good. And yeah, it's Bianca's first time trying IKEA food, so let's see. So just like the regular IKEA, you have to go through a path and there's really no escaping it. You have to go through the whole thing and see everything, all the food, before you finally check out. Alright, food secured. Here we go. Her special request, eating in IKEA. Yeah, meatballs from IKEA.
I hope you didn't ruin it for me.
You'll see.
They're really good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I don't think they taste like the Jolly. Oh. I have to try the Jollibee burger again. I don't think it does. I don't think it does.
But you like it?
I do like it. It's
All
really
right.
yummy.
It's a good thing I got 16 then.
Looking around in the vendor booths, there's so many, okay? Compared to Iloilo cosplay events, this is a madhouse. It's crazy, it's packed, but it's really fun, and there's so many things to look at and see.
And no two booths are the same, right?
No, exactly. Everything is different. There's a giant ET there. Like every aisle you go down, you get something new, and I'm excited to eventually spend money. I'm not that excited because I want to save money, but there's so many cool things here to buy.
So single press lang ako dito, quick press.
Let's fucking go!
These are the ones we use when we used to do like choreographies and stuff. And then imagine you're spinning this around, and then these are so sharp. Super painful.
So when you swing it, it has sound. When you hit with it, it has sounds. It's kind of loud lang here.
Oh, yeah.
For example, if you hit this.
Oh, so cool!
We also have other lightsaber scenes.
Grab him, my wild squid.
Hello.
We're checking out the Acer booth. I was telling her.
Genshin player?
Almost all her cosplays are Genshin, dude. Real. It looks like a sperm. I'm sorry, it's a sperm whale. It's a beluga whale. Okay, maybe it's not a sperm whale. Anyway.
I want this. Can I touch it? Those are so cute. Let's go. Wow.
Every booth has something different to offer.
I want all of these. I want this. Look at how cute the Gengar one is. What the heck? Look how cute these are. Oh my god.
This one looks so dumb. That's why I
No,
like it. It's my
he's
favorite
so
one.
cute.
Look at his
Look at his little
deadpan,
face.
confused face.
He's just there for a good time, okay?
This isn't a good face. He's having a good.
Senpai, Kazu, Squid, Cosplay, and Cholo Tolentino here on stage.
Let's fucking go!
That's me, I'm Senpai.
Over here in front is Cholo Tolentino.
What is going on? ToyCon 2024, it's so good to be here.
Ayun guys, kamusta po kayo sa lahat dyan? Kung sino man po kayo, ako po si Senpai Kazu.
And I'm Cholo Tolentino, and we're gonna be facilitating a little game for you guys.
Look how cool this is. A golden Japanese gun. This is like a museum piece, for real.
There's nothing.
Alright, so we finally found the booth with binders full of cards. Look at so many different cards. We're obviously looking for Pokemon. Look at that lunchbox. And they have piles of cards.
What?
Piles of cards.
Let's go.
Of course, we're trying to make our decks the best. So that's what we're working on right now.
Aw, it looks like you're picking mangoes in Mangahan Festival, but they're Pokemon card sleeves.
There's so much to see here. We just got Pokemon cards. That was a lot. There's so many cards. Somebody bought.
We just watched someone buy a 10,000 peso card.
10,000
Like he
peso
was
card.
like,
Just it's one
the
single
lady was
card.
like 10,500, and the guy was like, can't we have it cheaper? And she was like 10,000. I was like, all right, sure.
I mean, that's what a hustler. Number one. That's amazing.
All right, sure.
But
500.
yeah, in Koreadla, we spent 800 pesos on multiple cards. So yeah.
LARP approved to, diba? Yes. LARP approved shit. Even my Keyblade apparently is LARP approved.
They have a Pokemon gacha.
For only 40 pesos. 40 pesos, you wanna try it? Just
Yeah,
for the
let's
vlog?
try it. Let's try
Yeah.
it. Press the button. Let's go.
Let's go, Ate. Meron na po. Nakataob naman siya.
Wow.
Oh, sad. It was a shit card. Sad.
We tried. That's so cool though. Thank you.
That's cool. That's actually really cool.
Oh, look at they have magic decks too. Fall out. And lightsabers too. This is such a cool booth. Oh my gosh. I want everything here.
Thank you.
There's so much stuff. Oh, I'll take that. Thank you. Bye. So cute. So that was ToyCon. We're done. The camera was already in the bag, so I switched it over to my phone. But look at my little earrings. Look at this. Look at this sweater. And wait. Hold this. Hold this. Look at what I ended up getting. That's for him. My gift to him.
Just in case you guys are wondering, I give her gifts.
And this one is for me. And look how derpy it is.
It looks derpier in person. Like when you see it in person, it really does look genuinely derpier.
Look at this.
That's his ass.
Sorry, don't look at his butt. What the heck? Look at it.
Look how derpy he looks. Damn.
It was a fun time. It was a good time. My feet are dying. There's so much to see, and we didn't see everything.
It takes hours.
It takes hours. Literally, just going through all the merchant booths and everything is intense. And I am so dead.
I'm so dead.
So hungry.
1 hour and
But my
30 minutes
feet really
on a
hurt.
motorcycle.
I don't want to do that.
And then ToyCon, and then you have to do it all over again.
Anyways, that's it. Good night.
I am Canada.
It's Ken enough.
Enough.
I'm Ken
Ken
enough.
enough. I thought you were saying I am Canada. You kept saying I am Canada. Like, yes, you are.
I want this
Yes,
one.
you are Canada.
This is my life.
Who? Me or the?
Give me all your Robux to me.
All right, well said, well said.